EU LPG officers to embark for a new contract that Candina is negotiating now. We are looking forward to get LPG European crew. If you do speak French, that's really an asset, because probably you could be deployed for the Belgian flag ships. You know, Belgian social security. We are enclosing here the competitive advantages regarding flag of convenience. Or if you're on board a cruise ship, or you are far away and you want to sail close to Europe, then apply urgently. All of those that are young officers, European officers, looking forward to stability. We're talking about a huge European LPG ship owner. Now we have the prospect of 6 new buildings. Some are going to be a flag of convenience, some Francais, Belgium flag. Please apply urgently, because we could be looking to a very long-term employment possibility. Thank you. Bye.